welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of 3 Diamond Art Club paintings, and so we'll go ahead and get started. I want it to be a bit of a surprise, so go ahead and start with the smallest one. First. So this one is black and white, and so we'll go ahead and open it. I did take the plastic off of all of them just to make it easier. Let's see. Sorry for the earthquake there. So first we have the toolkit, and it's the new toolkit. It comes with this nifty little yellow thing. We have this sticker that you can put either on the end of the box or in your logbook or whatever. And then this we'll get into last. So let's see, we'll go ahead and see what's in here. Let's see. So I have this little guy, the knife came off, so I will need to get some super glue, but it's a little dolphin, it's super cute. And it'll just stick on there. We will fix that. And we have a deep burgundy-ish pen with a little pinky grip holder. It goes on here. We have, we have 2 multi-placers. We have, I think what looked like a 7 and a 4. We have little glue. Or wax rather, and there are 2 little pads. You need to take the plastic piece off to use it. They're a little heart-shaped. I think they're super cute. And since this is a round kit, it doesn't have tweezers, but we do have little bags and the standard little tray with the stopper. And the washi tape is this. It's kind of cute. So yeah, that's what's in the toolkit. And then, let's see, we'll go ahead and open this next. And, sorry. Here. Oops, upside down. Is the picture. So first we have the little sticker plus all the individual little stickers here for like jars or whatever you want to use them for, and a bunch of pre-cut ones since there are only 16 colors. The first one is an AB note, and you can tell that by the fact that it's a number below 150. And then, see, it comes with a little pamphlet and a few codes for first-time users. And then, here are the drills. We'll get into it in just a minute, but first let me go ahead and do a full canvas. This is a poured glue canvas, so you can go ahead and roll it to get out the compost, or it should soft flatten. Just did that probably flat, and turn it back around. So here is the picture. So let's see, we'll go ahead and quickly look at the tools. Looks like it's a single sheet thing. So we have 3865, a pack of 310s, see 939, 125. So these are the AB drills, which stands for Aurora Borealis. So they're the ones with the special coating that'll make them shimmer more. I think you can see that. And this is 415, 318, 3841. Nice little blue gray color. 37.99, 414, 317, 413, 597, 598, 336, 312, and 3760. So let's see if we can find what the AB is. So it's like a little slash. So there's some in here. There's some right there. Some over here. So it looks like it's scattered throughout what I think are the branches. There's some over here. Some over here. Some right there. Some over here. Some in here. One right there, a couple right there, some over here, some down here and over here, some over there, some in through here, a little bit right in there. Yeah, some in here. So it's definitely scattered throughout the branches to emphasize the branches. So yeah, that's this one. Next, I have this one. And this one is muslin waltz. This one I got at Joann's. Let's see. And this one is a square, because you can tell by the square here. And it's a blue border. So with this one, since I got it at the third-party retailer, you use this. This is how you activate your warranty. So I will do that now, or as soon as I'm done with this video. Here's a little sticker. Okay, toolkit. This is also one of my toolkits, so we have the baggies. Oh, pink tweezers. Really? Okay, so the colleges are out again. But we have pink tweezers, they're super sharp, so be careful. And we have bags, a cover minder, everything that's still on. The little a purple pen with a grippy. The two drill placements. The wax. This is the tape. I'll go ahead and put this all back. So okay, apparently the power is now back on. So let's see if I can do this. Okay, so there's all the center stuff. So we have a little thing with the codes. And then have this that has a sticker sheet that has the big sticker that has all the information, gives you when it can start and stop, and then all the colors listed. And it looks like there are 4 ABs, the top 4 here. These are the drills. We'll open these up in just a minute. First, we'll go ahead and open the canvas. Of course, I open it upside down. It's a canvas, so we'll go ahead and roll it back. So it will stay flatter. So this one's basically the size of the table, maybe a little smaller. Excuse me, it is 76 by 51 centimeters. And here, we'll go ahead and open this up. Again, they have the legend on both sides of the canvas. And the first 4 are AB. So I'll go ahead and go through all these. Okay, so we have 775, 740, 3, 445, 3766, 165. These are all nice and bright colors. I like this sort of lime green color. Let's see, 3811. We come across our first AB here. This is 129. It's a nice yellow. And ABs just have an extra coating that makes them extra sparkly. This is 3823. Another nice yellow. And then 321. 5200. That. And then let's see, another 2 bags of 5200. Looks like there is a stowaway in that one. And then 606. 3808. 894. 602. 136, and this is another AB. 797, 718, 3705, and 807. Hold on 1 second and I will be right back. So it's this one next. This is 3848, 605. 107, so this will be another AB. Nice red color. 3809, 340, 939, 823, 815, 3814, 947, 3607, $9.92, $8.14, $700, $3.27, $6.01, $7.02, $9.12, $3.01, and $36.08. I think there's still one outstanding AD. So this one, there's $7.98, $8.91, $38.10, $39, or sorry, $36.9. So $3.69. Sorry, we can read. $2.08, $9.56, $9.93, $36.09, $123. So this is the last A, or $128. Sorry, this is the last A. And it's a nice light pink. This is $5.10 or $5.50 rather. And then the final one for this series is this one, and it is Bond. The square in the front, and it's blue. The round drills are pink, and then have a circle. Have a toolkit. Have the sticker for that, and that's it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the toolkit. So it's all washi tape and the tweezers we have. Okay, so we have the white tray. We have this little guy, little kitty. It's a cover minder. The magnet's still attached. Washi tape is this nice little blue washi tape. We have other newer white trays, and then we have a blue pen with a grip, and the 7 and the 4 pencil. The wax comes with 2. You take the little plastic off before you use it. Bags and tweezers and split kit. This little box sticker. And let's get into this. We have the drills, the little instruction thing with the 2 things that if you, it's your first time purchase, this is what you need. This is a bigger sticker along with all the little individually cut labels. There are 4 ABs. Anything above or below 150, and this is ABs and diameter clip. We'll get a little more into those in just a minute. So since this is a card proof canvas, you can roll packets. So this is that. So this is Bond. And just put that in. So I'll start from this one. Okay, so this is 807, 3847, 3848, 743, 3608, 718, 939, 2 bags of 939, 3746, 3856, that's a nice peachy color. Here's our first set of ABs. This is 129, it's that pale yellow. This is 208, 3806, 604, 3708, 602, love that hot pink. Let's see, 402, 2 bags of 402. Let's see, 3823 and 550. Let's see. Okay, so next we have 3688, 333, 154, 3348, and then this is our next AB. This is 124. So pinky color, pinky leaning more purple with a slight hint of purple in it. This light sucks. I'm sorry, the clouds, or the sun just went behind the clouds. 605, 815, 3833. This is our next AD. This is a nice sort of minty green color. It's 122. Let's see, 3328, 312. 155, 3853, 156, 913, 699, 3807, 742, 700, and 740. And then, stuff. Let's see. So here we have 890, 3810, 3843, 963, 741, 3766. 701, 832, 3371, 819, 891, 703, 823, 956, 166, 141. This is that white AB, and there's not very much of it. I think that's the last AB, and then 702, 606, 783, 780, and just the last three here. So we have 2 packs of 311, and then the 807. So now we'll try to find where the ABs go. So first we'll start with this white one, 141. Okay, so there's some 4 right in here. That might be where the 4s are. because there's not much of it, so that would make sense if that's just the forest right in there. Yeah, so that's the only place I see them, unless you see them anywhere else. They're just right in this knife here. And let's see, the 3 is 1.9. So this is the color of the 3, they're the pale yellow. So there's 3 over here, there's some over here, some over here, some right here. Some up here and over here. And then there's some up here as well, right up here. Some over here. Some right over here. Also some over down here. Some down here. And then there's some over here, as I said. Let's see. 2 is going to be the tail pink. So 2 is going to be this pink color here. And let's see. So there's 2s all through here in this cloud. Some more over here. Some more in through this here. Little right here. So I think it's basically in this cloud here. Yeah. And then 1 is going to be, so 1 is actually this minty green right here. And let's see if we can, so there's some 1 right here. And through here, and then some over here, some more over here, and up here, and over here. So yeah, that is fun, and that is where I'm going to end this particular video. I'll have a lot of editing to do as it is, but yeah. So yeah, that is what this one looks like. And yeah, so that is this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.